In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up your files to an external drive in Windows 11. Now, this is really useful if you want to go and back up your documents and data. Now, to do this, we first need to head over to our computer, and on the left-hand side, go and click on this PC. Now, just make sure your external hard drive is plugged into your computer, and it should show up in this list of devices. So you can see for me, this is my external hard drive, but for you, it's probably called something different. Now, once you've found your external drive, you can go and close out of this window, and then you'll need to open up the Start menu. You can then search for Control Panel and click on this window here. In the top right hand side, click on the drop down arrow next to View By, and then click on Large Icons. You can then click on Backup and Restore, and then just click on the Setup Backup button. You'll then need to go and select your external hard drive from the list. So mine's this one here. We can go and click on Next. You'll have two options. You can either let Windows decide which files to back up, or you can go and select the exact data and documents you want to back up. And that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to click on Let Me Choose and then press Next. You then just need to select the data that you want to back up on your computer. So typically this top section is going to be all of your personal data and documents. So if I click on the drop down arrow, you can see this contains all of my documents, music, pictures, and videos. And you also have the chance to back up your C drive as well. And this is typically your applications on the computer. So I'm just going to select my data files like this and then go and press Next. You can then click on Save Settings and Run Backup. Now all you'll need to do is go and wait while this backs up all of the data, and it's as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.